In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily install your corner bass trap using the Z-Clip method. But first, y'all make sure to subscribe. Now, go ahead and get all of the tools together for the job. You're going to need a measuring tape, a level to use for the Z-Clips, a drill, 3/4 inch to 1 inch screws, which will be used to secure the clip to the panel, and 4 1/4 to 1 3/4 inch screws to secure the clip to the wall. You can use longer screws if that's what you need for your wall. Before you start, find the set of Z-Clips included with your order. If you need additional Z-Clips, you can find those in the link in the description below. Now you're ready to get started. Go ahead and flip your bass trap over to the back side on a clean working surface. Whenever you install the clip, ideally, you want equal spacing on each side. This will make it much easier whenever you go to hang it in place on the wall. Another great little tip is to give it about a 1/8 inch lip from the top of the panel. This will keep the Z-Clips completely hidden from all perspectives and points of view. Now, keeping that in mind, go ahead and screw on your clips. Whenever you're done, it should look something like this. The equal spacing from each side and an 1/8 inch lip from the top. Now you're ready to mark your measurements onto the wall. If you're using our standard 3.5 inch bass traps, you're going to want to make your mark at approximately 17 inches from the corner. This gives our bass traps an ideal 16 inch air gap design, maximizing their low frequency absorption potential. You're going to want to make your marks on both walls coming out from the corner. Next, you're going to want to make your vertical measurement. This is going to vary depending on the ceiling height in your room and on the size of your bass traps. A good rule of thumb or ideal position is to have the center of the bass trap at the same height as the cone on your speakers or your sound source. If your sound source is something higher, feel free to move the bass traps a bit higher. Or if your goal is completely aesthetic, feel free to center them in the wall. For example, if you're using a 4-foot bass trap on an 8-foot ceiling, you would want to go 2 feet from the top or 2 feet from the bottom. If you want it to be a bit higher, you would want to go 1.5 feet from the top and 2.5 feet from the bottom. For our specific example here, we're marking it at 67 inches. Now, make sure to mark the center of your Z-Clip. We're doing this so it can line up with the mark on your wall. This will make the process much easier whenever you're screwing the clip on and will help you prevent the clip from sliding on accident a little bit to the left or to the right. Now go ahead and screw your clips to the wall in alignment with the marks that you've already pre-made. A great tip is to use your level whenever you're screwing the Z-Clips onto the wall. This will ensure that the final installation of the panel is completely level. If the clips are level when you screw them on, the panel will also be level whenever you go to hang it. We make sure to do this on each clip. Hanging the panel on the wall is easy once the clips are in position. If you followed our instructions to this point and you've made the correct measurements, it should pop right into place. Now, if you have any more additional questions about how to install the panels or acoustic treatment in your space, feel free to reach out and we'll see if we can help. And if you would like to purchase the bass traps that we used in this video, you can find them on our direct website, link in the description below. If you're not even sure where to begin or which direction to go regarding treating your space, feel free to click one of our links below to book a consultation where we can answer any and all of your questions, or fill out our free room analysis form and we can help you figure out exactly what treatment you need for your room. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.